I'm here, sure, bro. Oh, yesterday you're talking about a school in Midlands. Esani?
Oh, yes, circumcision, yes.
Midlands?
Yes.
Mara why? Yeah. Can you imagine that school? Ekasi. Lento le esigangeni. Yeah, singaboni umuntu nihlale ngamadoda ufunda ubudoda bakho bese uyabuya. Midlands ungabona umuntu okwenza uphethe ibhabhalazi. Ngabe uhlele stupid i-ex-girlfriend yakhe uthi hawu Mzwandile uzosika hey finally
No man.
bese sikhathele pump action khudlu lokhu ya bridge akubuye ngasihlahla amatembe sizwe ke kanti uphapha kanje ekasi akuna secret ekasi hey nizwile wozani uzabona ubani usala yini uMzwandile uyaseka emsize bese uhlele lapha nenje bahome man zokusendela WhatsApp nale awutheni sikayi next mongena mntana kaTom ngoba kuyankolota wasana letha la
Oh no man.
You were talking about it yesterday. Let's say ngibona. Uphapha kanje sana anytime la khona leave lo fanele lize la.
No, it does sound strange right in the middle.
Midlands, elokushini bro, elokushini. Thina sazile ama-out ahambe for over 2 months.
Yeah.
Abuya amadoda aqinile and babathengela imbheda akithi bona bayela ama double bed vele. Umuntu abuye bamthengela double bed. Otherwise mangana double bed fanele uthi uyanga ndawo.
Yeah.
Thola double bed ne headboard ne wardrobe bakunikeze impahla nengobe eziningi ezinye zasekhaya ezinju ngengikhuluma amagamazo bezimfishane zingaka. Masibuya bengathi basithengela ama short amabhruku abo so. Ninto amashota ngaka hayi wena esabantu abadala into lethi Midlands hayi sothi baya force Hashem.
Well, it's almost the same story as the guy who unfortunately went in at the right place, and then the circumcision went horribly wrong.
Basusa yonke package.
Yeah. Fortunately for him, there was a doctor who was experimenting with this stuff. So a patient who was dying donated his penis to this guy. It was put on successfully, but the problem was he used it too quickly. Now the wife is pregnant.
That's stunning.
With a borrowed penis.
Thaba ngimithi. Ngani ngalento zakho ngiyabolekisana wena. Ena kusumntana akho ke kutshela into ongayazi. Ukuphapha kusumntana akho umenze ngani wena? Ayinto zakho basikile siselela cellphone. Ngifuna ubabona umntwana mina. Ushonile angicela imali zakhe. Mhlawumbe unewili, mhlawumbe nje umuntu umithise umuntu onewili.
Ungazi noma azofuna imali zakhe.
Edlala eka. Ngimithi. Ingawi ke lena. Mara kumnandi kasi kumnandi.